Hello learning minded people, what are you doing? In previous video we introduced with a course called Microsoft Excel formulas and shortcuts, and your feedback was amazing. So today we introduce with a course called Illustrator CC 2020 Masterclass. So let's start, and here we go. What we will learn from this course: the number 1, the interface of the program and shortcut, selecting tools, drawing opening shapes, drawing with pen tool, drawing closed shapes, knowing all the types of brush, making compound shapes, making graphs, adding shadows, making 3D design, designing logos, poster, finding special fonts, making spirograph. Requirements of this course: any version of Adobe Illustrator, ideally Illustrator CC 2020. Prior knowledge is not needed, and this is course for anyone interested in designing and working on Illustrator. This course has 6 sections, 61 lectures, 6 hours 36 minutes total length. This has introduction and program interface, basic tools, selection tool, pen tool, all the tools are included, advanced tools, essential tools for that, effects has introduction, 3D effects, pathfinder, panels, and examples. The instructor of this course is Mustafa El Taher, who is an engineer, and 4.2 instructor rating, 1138 reviews, 2 courses, 93,890 student, and student feedback is 4.2. Now let's go to enroll this course. Click on enroll now. It's loading. Then click on enroll now again. And that's it, completed successfully. When you finish this course, you get notification. Then click there, submit your name, data. After this, you get the certificate. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Learn properly and develop yourself for the future. Thank you.